You know the saying, right? Beans, beans, good for your heart. The more you eat them, the healthier you are. Well, today, we're making black beans and rice.
Oh, I know that's not the saying, but it doesn't change how wonderfully delicious and nutritious this beautiful and easy dish is to make. And we begin by heating water and a little salt in a small saucepan. Once the water comes to a boil, add in the rice, give it a stir, cover it with a lid, and turn the heat down to a simmer. Nothing complicated here. While the rice is cooking, add olive oil to a medium saucepan. Then add chopped onion and ham. Stir that around a few times as it heats through and the onions begin to soften. Allow the moisture to evaporate and let the ham begin to brown. Add in the salt and pepper and chopped garlic. Give it a good stir and let it heat through. Then add the garlic powder, cumin, oregano, coriander, and chipotle chili powder. That gives it a little kick. Stir that to combine everything well. The chicken stock and apple cider vinegar then get poured in. Stir it well and add the black beans. Stir again and then cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. When you're ready to eat, stir in the fresh cilantro. Fluff the cooked white rice and spoon it into a bowl or on a plate. Add a few large spoonfuls of the warm and hearty black beans. Sprinkle with extra fresh cilantro and you're ready to dig into this deliciousness.
I've been making these black beans and rice for years, and even my brother, who grew up on little more than peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, absolutely loved these black beans and rice.
You can find the recipe for my black beans and rice at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.